Visit Tuscany.com. Fagioli all'uccelletto. Traditional Tuscan recipes. Heat some olive oil in a pan. Then add a few sage leaves and 2 cloves of garlic. Add the beans with a small amount of cooking water. Add the tomato paste and stir with a wooden spoon. Add salt and pepper. Cook for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the sausages and cook until done. Serve with a glass of red wine. Fagioli all'uccelletto. Ingredients: 600 grams of cannellini beans already cooked, extra virgin olive oil, sage leaves, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 fresh pork sausages, black pepper, salt. Method: heat a few tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan with 2 cloves of garlic and some sage leaves. Add the beans with a few ladlefuls of their cooking water. Add the tomato paste. Stir and cook over a low flame. Season with salt and pepper. Let the beans simmer over a gentle heat for about 20 minutes. Add the sausages without the case and cook until done. Serve with some bread. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale Ente Nazionale Sordi Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.